A very good morning to all my dear kids. I hope that all of you are doing very well. So, my dear children, in the previous video of value education, we did back exercise of lesson number 5, which was being good. Now, in today's video, we are going to proceed with the next chapter of our value education book, lesson number 6, that is truly rich. So, please open up your books and take out page number 19 of your value education books. Now, please keep a pencil ready in your hands and put on today's date and day. And please don't forget to write the day on the top left corner of the page and the date on the top right corner of the page, as we usually do. So children, now in today's video we are going to learn about how can we become truly rich. You know what is the meaning of rich? The one who is having lots of what do you mean by being rich? Is it having lots of money? Or rich means having lots of happiness, lots of kindness? Yes, my dear children, in today's lesson we are going to study about the same, that being rich doesn't mean having lots of money. What does that money mean if you don't have the kindness and if you don't have the happiness with you? If you will be kind with others, you will happy too. So let us start. The kind and loving are truly rich. Truly means really, actually. So the kind and the loving, the one who is kind and the one who is loving, who love other persons, is a truly rich man, not the one who is having lots of money. Okay, so there is a situation given to all of you. Let us discuss the same. Please keep your pencils on the word which I am reading and you have to read along with me. There are two families in your neighborhood. One is very moneyed but proud. The other family is not so moneyed but very kind and helpful. Which family do you think is really rich? So children, this situation says that there are two families in your neighborhood. Okay, what is neighborhood? The place around us where we live is called the neighborhood. Okay, our surroundings. Okay, the people who lives nearby our house are our neighbors. So there are two families which are living in your neighborhood. One is very moneyed. What is the meaning of moneyed? One family is having lots of money but proud. Proud means they don't even talk to anyone. Okay, so they are very proud of their money and they don't consider talking to anyone or helping anyone or loving anyone. Okay, but there is one more family which is not so moneyed, which is not having so much of money, but the family is very kind and helpful too. Whenever you are in need, they help you out. So which family do you think is really rich? The one who is having lots of money but proud, not talking to anyone, or the one who is not so moneyed but is very kind and helpful? Please think of it. Yes, yes. The family which is very kind and helpful will be the truly rich family, because being kind, if you will be kind with others, you will be loving with others, you will be having many friends, many people to talk to. What does that money mean when you have no one to talk to, when you have no one in times of need? Okay, so please put a tick mark on kind and helpful. Now let us read the story, children. Read this story to know what makes us really rich. The name of the story is The Poor Rich Man. So, can you see the irony? The poor rich man. The man was rich but still was poor in some sense. Let us read to know what happens. Okiro was a very rich man, but he was a miser. What does miser mean? So children, miser means the one who is having lots of money but is not willing to spend it, जिसको हम हिंदी में we call it as कंजूस. Okay, so Okiro was a very rich man, but he was a कंजूस, he was a miser. Okay, he paid his servants very little money but made them work very hard. That means वो अपने सर्वेंट्स को बहुत कम पैसे देता था बट उनसे बहुत सारा काम करवाता था. One day he fell ill. As he lay in bed groaning in pain, a strong wind came up. Now one day Okiro fell ill, and what happens? He was laying in the bed. Okay, he was taking rest in the bed, groaning in pain, crying in pain. He was having lots of pain, and suddenly a strong wind came up. Okay, बहुत ज़ोर से हवा चली. A curtain moved in the wind and upset a lamp. Now what happens? As the wind came up, the curtain starts moving up with the wind, and there was a lamp nearby. The curtain hit the lamp. Okay, the curtain caught fire. The fire quickly spread to the bed where Okiro lay. Now what happens? The curtain hits the lamp and the curtain gets fire. Okay, as you can see in the picture. And then what happens? The fire started spreading quickly, and it was about to reach the bed where Okiro was taking rest. Okay, Okiro screamed in fear. Help! Someone save me! My bed has caught fire. Now Okiro was in pain. He couldn't run. So he screamed. What is the meaning of screamed? He shouted. Okay, in fear. डर के चिल्लाया. Help! कोई मुझे बचाओ. My bed has caught fire. मेरे बेड में आग लग गई है. His servant rushed in and put out the fire. Now what happens? What does putting out fire means? आग को बुझाना. Okay, so now hearing Okiro's voice, his servants came up and they started putting out the fire. While doing so, they even burned their hands. So it is not easy to put out the fire. Okay, so while doing so, his servants even burned their hands. उनके हाथ जल भी गए. Now can you see, Okiro never used to give them good money but let them work very hard. So but in the time of need, who came to help him out? His poor servants only, those who were not having lots of money but they were having lots of kindness in their hearts. Okay, Okiro felt ashamed. ओकिरो को शर्म आई. ओकिरो फेल्ट ashamed. He thought, my servants saved me even though I have treated them so badly. Now Okiro was very sorry, okay, on whatever he did, and he thought that my servants saved me. मेरे servants ने मुझे बचाया. Even though I have treated them so badly, जबकि मैंने उन्हें कितना badly treat किया. I am really a poor man because I have no kindness in my heart. Now Okiro realized that since he was not having any kindness in the heart, he was really a poor man. Even after having lots of money, he was a poor man because he was not having any kindness in his heart. From that day, Okiro changed because his servant showed him love. He distributed gold coins to all the servants and was a kinder man. Now, from that day, there was a change in Okiro. Why? Because his servant loved him. Okay, because his servant showed him their love by saving him from the fire. Okay, even they got their hands burned, but still they saved their boss. Okay, so Okiro even distributed the gold coins to all the servants and was a kinder man now. Okay, he then became truly rich as he was kind and loving. So when Okiro gave gold coins to all the servants, okay, and he was a very kinder man now. So now he was a kinder man. In this way, he became truly rich as he was kind and loving. So, my dear children, now I hope that you all know that who is a truly rich man. If you want to become a truly rich person, you should also have love and kindness in your heart. Having lots of money doesn't make us truly rich, but the kindness and the love in our heart for others make us a truly rich person. So my dear children, that is all for today. We will be doing the back exercise of this lesson in the next class. Please read this lesson again and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.